Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're tackling a challenge that, honestly, almost every modern organization is facing right now. We're talking about data. Did you know the world generates over 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every single day? That's a mind-boggling number. Making sense of that massive mountain of information and doing it without everyone needing a computer science degree is absolutely crucial. So I am really excited to guide you through a tool that has completely revolutionized how we interact with all this information.
So let's dive straight into the core problem here. How do we actually turn raw, messy data into clear insights without needing complex programming? If you work in business today, you've probably felt that exact kind of data overwhelm, right? You've got mountains of numbers, spreadsheets just piling up, and you know for sure there's a valuable story hidden in there somewhere. But extracting that story traditionally, well, it requires an intimidating amount of technical skill. We really need an intuitive solution to uncover those trends.
And that brings us to our hero solution for all of this, Tableau. Now, at its core, Tableau is a business intelligence or BI tool. You can kind of think of BI as the ultimate translator between raw numbers and human decision-making. Its entire purpose is to help users analyze data and create these really beautiful interactive dashboards and reports. But here's the absolute most important part, the real game changer. It does all of this without requiring advanced programming skills. It literally makes data analysis accessible to the everyday business user. To really understand why this is so revolutionary, let's look at the traditional landscape for a second. Historically, getting answers from a database meant writing complex SQL code. You basically had to speak the database's highly technical language. It was intimidating and, frankly, incredibly slow if you weren't a software engineer. But Tableau flips the script by utilizing a visual query language. So instead of typing out lines and lines of complex code, you simply use an intuitive visual drag-and-drop interface. It completely changes how we interact with databases. So the crucial point is how this transformation actually happens, and that's through data visualization. This is really the core feature of the platform. Tableau allows you to instantly convert your raw data into visual formats. We're talking about dynamic charts, graphs, and comprehensive dashboards. And why does this matter? Well, because human beings are visual creatures. By transforming those raw numbers into visual formats, you instantly bridge the gap between abstract data and actual, actionable business strategy. It's all about supporting really fast decision-making. Now, behind those beautiful visuals, there's some serious engine power, driving connectivity and data quality. Tableau allows for direct data connectivity, which basically means you can plug it straight into your existing databases and data warehouses. No middleman. And once you've built your insights, it offers live sharing capabilities with literally just a few clicks. But beyond just connecting to the data, it actually helps you clean it too. As you visualize the information, Tableau becomes incredibly helpful in identifying any missing or erroneous data that might be lurking in your existing sources. It kind of acts as a built-in quality control mechanism for your numbers. Okay, if you've ever suffered from spreadsheet fatigue, staring at tiny cells until your eyes start to blur, this next feature is going to sound like absolute magic. Report automation. Just think about all those daily and weekly reports that currently reside in static spreadsheets, requiring hours and hours of manual copy-pasting. Tableau automates that entire process. By connecting directly to your live data sources, those reports now just update themselves. It saves an immense amount of time and provides immediate relief from all that tedious manual labor of traditional reporting. Crucially, though, we aren't just talking about generating static, boring reports here. Tableau is built from the ground up for dynamic analysis and teamwork. The dashboards you create are highly interactive. Users can actively drill down into the specifics, apply filters, and explore the data in real time to answer their own questions right on the fly. Plus, it really champions collaboration. You can easily share these live interactive dashboards across your entire team using platforms like Tableau Server or Tableau Online, which ensures everyone is looking at the exact same source of truth. Because of this incredible flexibility and ease of use, Tableau has seen massive industry adoption. I mean, it's not just a tool for Silicon Valley tech giants or Wall Street analysts anymore. It seamlessly scales to meet the needs of vastly different sectors. We're talking everything from optimizing complex transportation logistics all the way to managing and visualizing critical data in healthcare. It really is a truly universal business tool at this point. Let's ground these abstract features into some everyday business scenarios for a second. Here are just a few real-world use cases where Tableau really shines. Sales teams, they use it for performance tracking and forecasting their pipeline. Finance departments rely on it heavily for deep financial analysis and budget monitoring. We already mentioned healthcare, where it's used for patient data visualization to actually improve care. Marketing teams use it to track campaign analysis and ROI, and operations teams use it for supply chain monitoring just to ensure everything is running smoothly. It essentially adapts to whatever data you feed it. Which brings us to our final thought today. Without that barrier of complex programming holding you back, what hidden insights could you uncover by simply dragging and dropping your own data? Tableau essentially takes the power of a data scientist and puts it directly into the hands of the everyday business user. I really hope this explainer has demystified this powerful BI tool for you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I highly encourage you to think about how visual analytics could completely transform your own workflow